performers, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from Falelātai. They're a dance group. It's called
Malo
USO.
Eric Falavan. Yeah, USO. Teuila, mai le lalafanga, Falelātai. Iolo Teuila mai Eric Fasavalu. Yeah, mais é bate tele, mole da USO, mas Falelātai. Ei, lovo é como é que eu, Falelātai hip hop.
Who's that? It's the ODS knocking on doors, trying to teach the gospel. When this truth fits, you gon' be like, whoa, where the moments go? With that real tight flow, showing love to every woman once again, it's on.
I was made aware of a situation so devastating. The world, as we know it, will soon come to an end. The biggest sun eruptions in human history.
What?
Let's put a smile on that face.
Yeah, mais é bate tele. Malolava Eric Falava au male team from Falelātai. Of time aloto sa neto sanga.
Yo, listen, Chacho.